Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to switch your Instagram to a business account in 2024. Let's get started. First, open your Instagram application. Tap your profile in the bottom right corner. If you currently have a creator account, click on Professional Dashboard, then the gear icon. Scroll down and click on Preferences. Then scroll down again and click on Switch Account Type. Choose Switch to Business Account and click on Switch. Your account is now a business account. To switch from a personal to a business account, tap Edit Profile, then switch to a professional account. Keep tapping Continue. Choose your type of business, then tap Done. Make sure your business is selected, then tap Next. If you don't want your contact info to be publicly available, choose Don't use my contact info. Otherwise, proceed. You can connect your Instagram account to your Facebook account by choosing Continue and Done, or skip this step by choosing Not Now. It's now a business account, and you can tap the X and use the account. That's how you can switch your Instagram account to a business account. If you found this tutorial helpful, please make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.